Walang patid ang mga kontrobersyal na pahayag mula kay US President Donald Trump. Ang pinakabago, ang plano niyang pag-atake sa Gaza. Isinusulong niya rin ang permanent relocation ng mga Palestinian. Narito ang agenda report ni Eugene Adalia.
Ginambayan ni US President Trump ang dekad-dekadang pulisiya ng Estados Unidos sa Israel-Palestine conflict.
I don't want to be cute, I don't want to be a wise guy, but the Riviera of the Middle East, this could be something that could be so bad, this could be so magnificent.
Plano kasi niyang i-take over ang war-torn Gaza matapos ilipat ang mga Palestinian sa mas ligtas na lugar. Permanent relocation ang itinutulak ni Trump.
The only reason the Palestinians want to go back to Gaza is they have no alternative. It's right now a demolition site. This is just a demolition site. Virtually every building is down. They're living under fallen concrete that's very dangerous and very precarious.
Hiniling din niyang muli sa Jordan, Egypt at iba pang Arab states na kupkupi ng mga Palestinian. Agad naman pumalag ang Palestinian envoy to the UN.
Our country and our home is the Gaza Strip. It's part of Palestine. We have no home. For those who want to send them to a happy, nice place, let them go back, to their original homes inside Israel.
Ayon kay Trump, suportado ng mga lider ng Gitnang Silangan ang kanyang plano.
They love the idea. They say it would really bring stability, and what we need is stability.
Pero ang Saudi Arabia, mariing sinabi na kontra ito sa anumang hakbang na magpapaalis sa mga Palestinians sa kanilang homeland. Ang Australia naman, two-state solution pa rin ang isinusulong sa Middle East. Para sa agenda, Eugene Adalia, Billionaire News Channel.